I hope everybody's having a great day. I am going to show you how to install the dynamic stamp in the new PDF software. So the first thing you're going to do is you are going to get the dynamic stamp file from the IT department or myself, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go down here to the start command, and in the start command prompt you are going to type this string right here, which is percent and then APPDATA percent slash TRACK tracker software, just like that, slash PDF, oops, PDF XEDITOR slash 3.0, and then you're going to hit enter, and it's going to bring up this folder right here, and then you're going to go into stamps, and what you'll do is you'll take the stamp that is sent to you, and you will cut it or copy it into this folder. I already have it in here right now. It's right there. Mine has my name, but yours should have your name and the correct date. And then you can close that folder, and then the next time that you open a PDF like this one's previously been approved by me, but in this you will go to, it'll just show up under your stamps, so it should be in here under stamps now, and you should be able to click on that and then just drop it, and it'll have the correct time and date and your name. And that is it. Let your IT department know if you have any issues.